welcome back to my channel, or if you guys are new here for the first time, then hello, welcome. In today's video, we are doing another styling video where I show you 3 ways on how to style a coffee table for fall time. I am also going to be including how my husband DIY'd our coffee table. It is one of our furniture pieces that I get so many questions on. I don't know why it's taken me so long to make the video where I show you how he actually did it, but that is going to be included in today's video, so make sure to stay tuned because again, I've had so many of you ask me where I got this coffee table from, and my husband made it for me. It was pretty simple and we saved a ton of money on it rather than purchasing it online for a couple $100s. I do apologize if my voice sounds a little funny. I am recovering from a pretty gnarly sinus infection, so that is why I sound a little different. But I hope that you guys are excited for this video. I can't wait to hear what styling was your favorite. As always, make sure to let me know in the comments below. I will have as much as I can linked in the description box down below for you. If you're not already, please make sure to subscribe and follow me over on Instagram. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So starting out with the coffee table DIY, what you're going to need is 3 2x10x8 boards, some L brackets, some metal strapping, wood glue, and stain. Now obviously you can make this coffee table as tall and as long as you want it. We just kind of measured our living room space and made it a size that we thought would be good for that. We're going to start by putting wood glue on the leg pieces and then pushing those together. We are going to be securing these with screws here in a second, which you will see now. My husband did make some pocket holes in here first before drilling in these screws. I will try to link as much as I can of the exact products that we used from Home Depot in the description box down below. Next, you're going to see us using the metal brackets. This is just going to secure everything together to make sure that nothing falls apart. I didn't film much of this actually getting installed, but you can kind of see the pattern that my husband used. Now it is time to distress the table. We're taking this wire brush attachment to our drill and just going to do that all over the top of the coffee table. You'll see we also take different tools to distress the sides of the coffee table just to give it that really worn in vintage look. Once we have the coffee table distressed to our liking, we are going to start staining. So for stain, the first one we're taking is called Simply White from Minwax. They sell this at Home Depot, I believe. And then we're going to go over that with Early American. I will have both of these colors in the description box down below, but I really love the worn look that it gives. It definitely was the exact color that we were going for, and it looks like the really expensive coffee tables that are on the internet for hundreds of dollars. Now that we have the DIY out of the way, we are starting with our first coffee table look with these beautiful woven boxes from Amazon. This is a recent find and they are perfect for storing remotes and coasters, all of that good stuff so that you can hide it away. These are really affordable as well, and with Prime Deal Days coming up, they will probably be on sale. Next, I'm taking this paper mache bowl with these acorns, and I'm going to be placing that on top of the boxes. I try to place something that won't be hard to move, especially if we are going to be storing remotes in there. Next, taking my white minka pot from Anthropologie and some fall stems that I got from Target a few years ago, I'm going to be placing that right next to those boxes. Coffee table books are an absolute must when styling a coffee table in my opinion, so I'm taking 2 of my favorite and I'm going to be placing that right in front of that vase that we just sat down. To finish off this look, I'm taking this little trinket dish that I got from Anthropologie. This is one of my favorite home decor pieces that I've gotten from them. And then this wooded beaded garland. I believe I got this from Hobby Lobby, but they have one similar on Amazon, so I will have that linked down below. I'm just going to be draping that on top of the books, and that is going to complete look number 1. I really love the way that this look came out, and surprise, surprise, it is my favorite. It is what is on our coffee table currently, but I would love to hear which look is your favorite once you see all 3 of them in the comments down below. Look number 2, I'm starting with my favorite linen box from Target. This stores all of our remotes, coasters, room spray, all of that good stuff so that it's hidden away, and we're going to be placing that down on the coffee table first. Taking these DIY vases that I made a couple months ago and some baby's breath from Hobby Lobby, I'm going to be placing these 2 vases right next to each other. I always get a lot of questions on these. If you missed that video, I will have that link down below for you on how I DIY'd these 2. Again, taking my favorite coffee table book of all time. It is such a good size. I love the color of it. It just goes so perfect in so many different areas. We have 2 of these here in our home. I'm going to be placing this pumpkin from Target right on top of there to give it that nice, simple, minimal fall feel. And to finish off look number 2, I'm going to be putting this beaded garland again right on top of that coffee table book just to give it a little bit of visual interest and different texture. I'm really loving how simple this coffee table look is while still having that nice autumn touch. For look number 3, I'm taking this book holder and another coffee table book, and I'm going to be placing that onto the left side of the coffee table to start out this last and final look. Next, we are taking, surprise, surprise, my favorite coffee table book yet again that has made its appearance in every single one of these looks, and placing that to the right of the book holder that we just placed. That book holder is from Kirkland's. I don't know if it's available, but I will try to find something similar if not. Then we are going in with some of my favorite ceramic pumpkins that I picked up from Target a couple years ago. They are not selling these exact ones. They have something similar, so I will have it linked below for you. But these are hands down my favorite items for fall. They are so beautiful, very minimal, neutral, totally up my alley. So I hope they bring it back one year because they were a total hit. To finish off this look, I'm taking this black metal link chain and I'm going to be layering that right on top of the book. And with that, that is going to conclude this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are not already. I always have my Instagram linked in the description box down below for you as well. We do a lot of fun giveaways over there, so make sure to come join the fun if you haven't already. And let me know which look was your favorite, 1, 2, or 3 in the comments down below, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!